Some moments matter more than we realize. The simple click of a seatbelt, a small gesture that keeps what we value most safe. We move through our days trusting countless unseen details, all working exactly as they should. Because where safety is essential, quality is critical. Behind the moments we trust most is a world of people, processes, and decisions, all committed to never taking quality for granted. And behind it all stands the quality integrated ecosystem, ensuring every tool, every joint, and every tightening meet the highest standards. Quality integrated ecosystem. So the moments that matter most can stay beautifully ordinary.